Hello friends, this is Varun and welcome to my channel Techno Grover. And today I will show you top 2 websites that will help you make YouTube videos interesting. So let's start the video. So as you've seen, I have used my phone window because many of YouTubers use your phone to create videos and edit them and publish to YouTube. So let's start. So firstly we're going on our Chrome browser. If you have not, you can use your any browser. Firstly click on the search bar and then search my first site bay. So let's start searching Pixabay. After searching Pixabay, we have seen a new interface. As you seen, and then now click on search bar. After clicking on search bar, we search our content. So for example, um, technology. Technology. After write technology, we have seen images and then his left is down arrow. We click on down arrow and then choose videos. After choose videos, and we have seen a new interface. As you seen, then now we can select video which is related to our content. So now I will choose video. I have select this video and click on this video to download. After click on this video, we have a new interface. As you seen, now we have just click on free download. As you seen, after clicking on free download, we have seen a new pop-up window that is about to our video resolution. So I will select highest video resolution to download our video. So I will download this video. So let's go to second site. So friends, my second site is Pixel. After search pixels, we have seen this type of interface. So as you've seen, our site is on first number, and then we click on site. After pixels, we have displayed this type of interface and search bar also. So we click on search and search your content that you want. So I search um, let's say YouTube and then click on search. So as you see, these sites show many images that is related to our content search. And one more thing, this site has huge quantity of images and videos and many more vectors, etc. This is photos and I will select videos. So as you see in the upper of your interface, photos, videos, users. So I simply click videos. After clicking on videos, we have a new interface. As you see, I will click this video. So as you've seen, if you download a video, You simply click on video interface and the video is playing. So I simply pause the video and then click on try. After click on try, we have a new interface. So as you seen, downloading file. So I hope you will enjoy my video. If you enjoy my video, please like my video and share also, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to push the notification bell.